I'm Sara Ellis with Jesse James Beads. Welcome to our Jewelry 101 series. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use 22 gauge wire to create a knotted head pin using your nylon jaw pliers, chain nose pliers, and your round nose pliers. So let's get started. To create a knotted head pin, you will need 3 to 4 inches of 22 gauge wire, a flush cutter, nylon jaw pliers, round nose pliers, and 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, preferably one that is also a bent chain nose plier. Place the tip of the wire into the very tip jaws of the round nose pliers and begin turning a loop around the top of the pliers. Go around 1 complete time and then a second time directly underneath the first round that you made, stopping where you see the flush cut of the wire. Before you remove the wire from the pliers, take the tail end of the wire and bend it outwards. Take the wire off of the pliers and bend the tail end of the wire back down through the 2 loops that you created on the round nose pliers. Grab the wire with your nylon jaw pliers so that the 2 loops that you created are laying against the side of the nylon jaw pliers. Using bent chain nose pliers, grab the wire that is coming out of the side of the nylon jaw pliers and pull. Once you have pulled the wire completely through the jaw of the pliers, you have a nice knot at the end of your wire. This is a little rosette shape that is going to serve as the head for your head pin.